We got it. We got it to work, boys. Here we go. We're gonna clean dirty, easy slides. Oh, oh,
Oh, Lord.
Chat.
We gotta pin them down or something.
Pressure washer. Ah, no, hit me. Pressure washer versus ice cream sandwich.
JP and pressure washer versus ice cream sandwich.
Ready?
Focus. Wait, my shoes ain't focusing. My iPhone ain't focusing.
Wait, can you get one more go on my side? Hey, sidecar slide. All right.
Sorry, chat.
Phone down, eh?
Nah, I could see dirt from my. Why is my thing running in like 30K?
Hey, hit my side real quick.
First ice cream sandwich.
JP versus ice cream.
Oh!